What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys the quick and easy way to domain verify your Facebook Business Manager settings inside your Shopify store if you're running a Shopify store. So let's get to it. So first things first, get into your Business Manager in Ads Manager in Facebook. Then go to your business settings after you click this little business tools, click business settings. You're going to go down to brand safety, click domains. And then if you're, let's say your domain is, you're still waiting for verification, you're going to see this little red dot at the top right here. You're going to say, okay, cool. That means your domain's not verified. That means I'm going to show you guys the quick and easy way to do it. So you're just going to go hit meta tag. After you hit meta tag, you're going to see this little domain meta tag code right here. You're just going to click on it. As you see, it says copy to clipboard. Then you're going to go over to your Shopify store, right? Once you're in your Shopify store, you're going to click themes. You're going to go to actions. You're going to go to edit code. And then you're going to go down to like around number 24, 25, and 26. Over there, you're just going to space it out. And you're just going to copy and paste the meta tag code right there, exactly like that. Make sure it lines up perfectly to the end. And then when you're done, make sure you go back to your store to make sure you did not break it. Always go back and double check because you do not want to have some kind of mess happen with your store. So then you're going to go back to your Facebook Ads Manager account. You're going to click the verify code right here. It might not pop up immediately. So what you're going to do is go down to block lists, go back to domains, click verify again, and then click refresh. Since I've already done it with this brand, we don't have to do it. I'm not going to be doing it out, but I'm showing you guys how to do it. So after that, it's going to show up and say verified. Then you're going to have this little green dot up here showing that you guys are verified. So as you guys know, Facebook's taken a really big leap in trying to coordinate and work with the new iOS 14 update that Apple has set out. And they've changed their rules a lot. So make sure you guys are reading up on all the rules that they've set out and make sure you guys are following their instruction, because right now, if you're not reading what they're doing, you have a very, very, very high chance of your ad account being blocked. So for now, this is just one of the videos. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Please let me know what you guys think. And I appreciate it. And I hope you guys, if there's more things I can do to help out, I'll keep posting more content.